Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Geek Trafficking. This video is mainly created for those who would like to sign in without having to enter a Microsoft account, or if you don't want to create one, this video is for you. So here you just sign in with your location, region. I'm in the US, so that's what I'm going to pick. Same as the keyboard layout, pick according to your region or your location. And this is for, okay, here you pay attention. Do not sign in if you're going to sign in as a regular user. To bypass the Microsoft user authentication or account setup, you go by selecting I don't have internet. You shouldn't connect to a Wi-Fi network or internet just yet if you plan on bypassing having to create Microsoft credentials. And here as well, you would continue with limited setup on the bottom left. If you have a Microsoft account, feel free to continue connect now, but I'm going with the continue with limited setup. And there you go. Here you would just sign in with whatever name you like, nickname, friends, family name, whoever this computer is meant for, if you're giving it away or what. And this is the basics to signing in as a regular user on any fresh install of Windows 10. For this tutorial, I'm not going to be choosing a password. I will create one later on in the tutorial. As we move further ahead, I will show you guys how you can create a password inside of Windows 10 or change the one you already have. And here you will just pick your location settings or your privacy settings according to your preference. And once you're done, that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.